Hi there! Welcome to GlockApps. Today, I'll show how you can quickly test your email deliverability by sending the message to a single proxy email address. This mode eliminates the need to add a test ID to your message and send it to the entire SID list. You'll send your email to one proxy email address and our system will create a test for you. Here are the steps to follow. In the inbox inside, click Start Spam Test and start a proxy test. If you don't have a sending account yet, click to Edit Now. Here, you integrate your email account with GlockApps to allow our tool to send your message to our SID list on your behalf. First, enter a name for your sending account. It can be any name in order you can recognize the sending account in the GlockApps dashboard. Next, choose the integration mode. To integrate with an Outlook account, choose Outlook. To integrate with a Google account, choose Gmail. Or choose Custom SMTP to manually enter the SMTP settings of your email service provider. You'll need to enter your from name and email address, the SMTP server name, port name, security protocol, and your login credentials. Let's see how easily you can integrate GlockApps with a Google email account. Choose Gmail and click Continue with Google. Select your Google account, click Continue. Grant GlockApps the right to send emails on your behalf by clicking Allow. Click Close to finish. Now, you have to add a proxy email address to be used for testing. To do this, click on Proxy Testing and then click Add Proxy to the sending account. Choose the spam filters and inbox providers for the SID list. Optionally, you can set the throttling interval. By default, all the emails will be sent at one time. You can specify a delay between the messages if a rate limit is set for your email account. Additionally, you can choose a folder for proxy tests or create a new folder right from the menu. Also, you can disable the link checker if you don't include links in the email. To finish, click Create Proxy Address. Now, copy the proxy email address, go to your email service provider and send the message to the proxy email address. When it's sent, return to GlockApps. Go to Reports and click on the Proxy Test tab. The test will appear in the moment. Click on the message subject line to view the report. During the test, GlockApps runs multiple checks. You can view the sending IP analytics and domain analytics, including the email authentication outcomes. You can see the spam score given by the most popular spam filters. And you can also find out where your email landed, inbox or spam, for different inbox providers. In the Content Analysis tab, you can find a detailed report returned by the HTML checker and the analysis of the images and links used in your email content. In the Actions tab, you can read personalized recommendations provided by our tool on what issues you should address to improve your email deliverability if it's not good. That's all I have for today. Thank you for choosing GlockApps.